That's it.
Is that just paint on there, or what is that?
No, I don't know. I couldn't figure it out either. You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Are
going.
videoing?
I'm pulling out a potato plant.
So you can see a bunch more potatoes would have grown, see? And they grow on a thing, and
There's lots of potatoes in the soil still.
lots of potatoes in the soil, but you can see they're still growing, so we want to let these ones grow, you know what I mean? And continue to grow, not now, of course, but...
You can't transplant them when they get like this.
No, I don't know, maybe.
They're called new potatoes.
That's right, these are new potatoes. And I don't know what that is, so let's go ahead and take this out of there.
Just set it down somewhere for now.
Yeah. Let's put this over here for right now. We'll go down here and get some potatoes. See those potatoes?
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, wonderful potatoes.
Put those in here while you have them in your hand.
Oh yeah. Got that?
Yep.
And I'll go down here and see if we can find out some potatoes here. I don't know what that is. Some kind of goo. I'll have to
Research it.
see what that is, yeah.
Nasty. I'm not into goo.
Yeah, me neither. I like to be gooless.
You'd like to put your hand in the soil and not feel goo. Oh,
Potatoes,
wow,
huh? A gorgeous potato. I'll get the back closer to me, honey.
Okay. Like we said, there was more in the soil.
That's a rock.
Can't eat rocks. Hands digging in the soil down there. Lifting it up. A couple more potatoes. Moving so fast, you don't let me see them. There's a couple more even. Look at that. Probably working on 10 pounds of potatoes.
No.
Yeah. Just think about a bag of maybe 5 pounds. Oops. By my foot. Sorry. Look at all those potatoes in that bag. Isn't that lovely? From one plant. Look at how big that potato is. Beautiful. Definitely ready to be picked. These are all red potatoes. It's a lot of work getting them out of there without disturbing the other plants.
Okay, well, let's leave anything else in there. Yeah, let's continue to grow. Okay, let's go.
You want to grab that plant?
Oh, yeah.
I'll turn this off now.